Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of what I consider to be the best lime green tennis shoes for women currently available on the market, the INZCOU running shoes. These shoes have been gaining attention for their lightweight design, slip-resistant features, and overall comfort. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design and construction of these shoes. The INZCOU running shoes are crafted from a highly elastic flying woven fabric that not only makes them incredibly light but also enhances breathability. The mesh upper provides a three-dimensional fit, ensuring your feet stay cool and dry even during intense workouts. One of the standout features of these shoes is their slip-resistant MD sole. It's equipped with non-slip patches to improve grip on various surfaces, making them ideal for gym workouts, walking, and even light running. The sole not only offers good traction but also adds to the overall durability of the shoes. Moving on to comfort, the lining of these shoes is exceptionally soft and skin-friendly. It reduces friction, protects your feet, and provides a plush, comfortable feel with every step. The shoes are designed to expand and adapt to your foot shape, ensuring a snug yet flexible fit. When it comes to durability, the INZCOU running shoes are built to last. The mesh outer material is sturdy and easy to maintain. They're even machine washable, which is a big plus for those who prefer hassle-free cleaning. In terms of performance, I've found these shoes to be great for both indoor and outdoor activities. Whether you're hitting the gym, taking a walk in the park, or running errands, they provide reliable support and comfort throughout the day. To wrap up, the INZCOU running shoes are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for lightweight, breathable, and stylish athletic footwear. They offer excellent value for money with their slip-resistant sole, comfortable lining, and durable construction. If you're in the market for lime green tennis shoes that combine style and functionality, these shoes definitely deserve a closer look. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews.